this video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious looking stew, which is my recipe, and I have named it Ayalase Stew. Let's get right into it. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We have some mixed meat here. Well, you can use shaki, pomo, whatever kind of meat you have. Just make sure it's like a combo. And then we have some thyme, we have onions, garlic and ginger paste. I always blend it with some vegetable oil just so it lasts longer in my fridge. And then some vegetable oil, scotch bonnet, yellow pepper, green pepper, red pepper, tomatoes, seasoning cube and salt to taste. First up, place your pan on the heat, and then once it gets hot, I'm going to go ahead and pour some vegetable oil in the pan, and then I'll just basically go in with my garlic and ginger paste. Let that cook, and I'll go in with some thyme. So cooking your spices in the oil activates it, brings it to life, and gives you a much better result than if you just, pour it at like other times. And then I'll go in with my meats. So just let that cook and fry a little bit. So now that that's fried a bit, I'll go ahead with the onions. The aroma is giving. So you can see how translucent the onion looks now, much softer. Then it's time to add some of the scotch bonnet and tomatoes. So just to taste, really. I'm not sure how hot it's going to be, so as hot as you'd like it to be. Just stir that to spread it out. And then I'll add the tomatoes. Okay, so I'll just turn up the heat a little bit, because now we need some serious cooking. And then I'll just stir that up and leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. So I will now season this with some seasoning cube. And then stir to combine. You can see how good this looks, right? So just stir to combine that, and then leave it to cook for another 10 minutes. You can tell that the tomatoes have really cooked. There's not much juice left in there. I'm just going to wait for it to cook for like 2 more minutes for this extra juice to disappear, and then I'll go in with the rest of the peppers. All right, that's good. Now we're gonna go in with the peppers. Give it the pop, the fire that it needs, all the flavors. So we'll just combine that together, let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and we're done. There it is, our Ayalase stew. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, because I need to know that you watched this video and you enjoyed it and you're going to try this recipe. And when you do try this recipe, please come back to give me your feedback. Thank you. Have a good day.